Have you ever wondered how Claude AI courses actually works? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Welcome back to AI Tools Hub. Today we're diving deep into Claude AI courses. If you're new here, we break down the latest AI tools and workflows so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. So first, let's understand what Claude AI courses actually is and why everyone is talking about it right now. Claude AI courses is an innovative solution that's changing how people work with technology. What makes it special is that it can automate repetitive tasks while maintaining quality and consistency. And the best part? You can start using it today with minimal setup. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most people don't know this, but Claude AI courses has some hidden features that can save you hours. First tip, start with the templates before creating from scratch. Second tip, join the community forums for expert tips and tricks. And here's the game changer, check for new feature updates weekly since these tools evolve fast. So does Claude AI courses actually deliver results? Absolutely. People are using it to save over 10 hours per week on manual tasks, produce professional quality output without expert skills, and even scale their personal or business projects effortlessly. The productivity gains are incredible.